Let us discuss about Power BI key features. Power BI is a data visualization that reporting platform that is used by business and professional every day. It is also designed to be easily accessible for those without any specialized data knowledge. Key feature of dashboard. It is a single page, often called a canvas, that tells us a total business through visualization. Feature is drag and drop interface. By using this, we can collect the data from any source and we can drop the data in Power BI. Next feature is data connectivity. Using this feature, we can connect to many different type of data. Source include basic data source such as Microsoft Excel files. These analytic capabilities. By using this, we can connect to a device range of data source, clean and transform data, and create interactive report and dashboard. Let us conclude the topic. Power BI provides data visualization. Using this, everyone can easily understand the business growing. This Power BI is a user-friendly reports across device.